There is no print date on this tape. So, anyways, enjoy the opening. Sorry, the tape got damaged a little bit at the beginning, so I apologize for that.
If your kids like to work out, have we got a personal trainer? If they're learning the alphabet, we can make it as easy as ABC. And when it's time to share,
I'll only play with it for a minute. No, Sony.
Everybody gets a turn on Sesame Street, with all new home videos that are full of new ways for your kids to count, to dance, and to learn. Plus book and tape sets and audio for new ways to read and listen. From Sesame Street, the place where the laughter and the learning never end.
Play it again, Mom.
Sesame Street Home Videos and Audio. Award-winning and original entertainment. Created especially for young imaginations. From Sony Wonder.
It's so exciting.
Hey, that looks good.
Yeah! Sesame Street home video.
It's not that easy being kids, man. There's not so much to know. We shook the years, but act like the episodes we go. Wanna talk to me, then take it short and lend a helping hand.
And find out what to do